LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards. Notice, the keyboard installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At LaptopKeyboard.com, we have created a searchable database of keyboard installation guides. Our database will allow you to find the exact installation guide for your laptop keyboard. Simply go to LaptopKeyboard.com, click on the Installation Guides link, select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom video guide for your laptop. That's all. You're now ready to install your laptop keyboard. Remove the screw. Remove the laptop battery. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Gently pry out the keyboard. Place the keyboard back in place. LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards.